Guys, my name is Javier, you're watching Off-Road Icon, and today we're going to check out this Amazon package that I got in, and I hope somebody can guess what it is. So go ahead and shout down below, put your little link, and what we're going to do is I'm going to unbox it, and right after we're going to install it. It's going to be a couple days for me, for you guys it'll be a couple moments, but give you a hint, it's obviously for my truck. It's a little heavy, I think it weighs 8 pounds. So comment down below, let me know what you think it is. Do it right now. In fact, while you're doing it right now, hit that like button, hit that subscribe if you're not already subscribed, hit that bell notification so you get notified every time I put out a new video. This is gonna be part of my build portion of my videos, so it's gonna tack on to what I'm doing in my truck. I think you guys will be excited. Some of you might already have this, some of you don't, but for me, it took a little bit figuring out what I was gonna do. So instead of talking about what I was gonna do and what I can do, let's dive in and see what I got. All right guys, so here it is. Not too big. I ordered this on Amazon. Took about 4 days to get here. Normally I would have ordered this from CJC Off-Road, but I saved 20 bucks ordering on Amazon. It's coming from Arizona, from a different off-road place. So 20 bucks is 20 bucks, especially right now with the whole coronavirus thing. You know, sometimes it's worth it, free shipping. Sometimes I'm willing to spend it, sometimes I'm not. Hopefully I don't mess anything up as I open it up. So I hope you guys are gonna like it. I'm excited about it. I'm more excited to put it on. So let's hope I got the right thing. Of course it's a box in a box, guys, but I might tell you something. And that should tell you quite a bit more. So, for those who don't know, this is the differential cover for my 2015 Ram 2500 for the front. So we're gonna go ahead and cut it open. Give you guys a little peek of what's inside. Let's see. Sorry guys. There we go. Looks like it's even right there. It's fancy, guys. Way overdone. So I got this from, I believe it's SDHQ in Gilbert, Arizona. I had it in my cart for a while, and I saw that they had it back in stock for a good price. So I jumped on it. Grade 8 hardware. Instructions, which I would believe you could probably figure that all out. There's like a Carli sticker in the back, so I'm all about that. Here's a part number for that, in case you guys ever need it, replace that into the hardware. APDFDG03HK. Instruction kit. And now, for the part that matters. Hopefully I get this in one take, guys, because I can't see how the camera looks. So hopefully I don't mess this up for you guys. Looks like it's gonna go this way. Ooh, that's exciting. I'm gonna leave that out. Boom. There's the back side in case everyone's in there wondering. Looks like powder coated, looks a little dusty, but the powder coat looks clean. I thought it was a little messed up there, but it's not. The welds are nice. It's got Carli written out in front. Looks like a vinyl sticker, so that'll come off eventually. So there's your setup, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video from right here. Tomorrow, I'm gonna go ahead and put this on when it's daylight out. That way you guys can see exactly what it takes. The instructions say it's pretty quick. I just imagine removing the existing bolts, putting it in, and from what I read, you torque them to 25 pounds. End of story. So it should be a straightforward ad, guys. I just wanted to protect my friend Diff. I went to Calico. If you guys catch that video, you see it's pretty rocky, kind of bad. And you know, it's just slowly getting worse and worse and worse. And we were trying to do a pilot rock trip, and at the end of the day, for I paid $160 for this plus tax, $172 I think was shipped. Normally they're $180 everywhere you look, but for $180, guys, that's something that off the bat is just leaps and bounds better than nothing. I mean, this is pretty solid. The reason I went with this in comparison to the other one was because I like the flat design. I like that it didn't have as much holes as having like the spider system, and I just think it's gonna be better. So we'll try it out, get it installed. You guys let me know what you think. All right, guys, here we are right in front of my truck. Let's go ahead and get this Carli Diff Guard on. As you can see, I've already dropped the diff guard down. I got an impact, I got a torque wrench, there's a guard, screws. So I'm gonna set you guys up. See if I can get you in a spot where I don't get in the way. Let's try. Right there, guys. All right. So this should be pretty easy. Remove the bottom set of bolts, replace them with the Carli ones. Talking 25 foot-pounds. Oh, these are smaller over here. Well, so it looks like number 10s is what we're taking off, and the new bolts are 13 millimeter. So here we go. I know I'm using chrome socket for it. How many I gotta take off? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 4. Looks like I'm gonna need a swivel bit. Let me get that real quick. Alright, see, I put a swivel bit on. Alright, there we go. So, grade A hardware, guys. You can see the difference in length, right? Difference in head size. So, we put on the stuff Carli gave us. There's one. Alright, so I got it hanging by itself. Go ahead and pour the rest of these out. I'm gonna go get some Loctite, guys, and we're gonna go ahead and Loctite these down. So first, let me go ahead and put all the old bolts here so I don't lose them. And then we grab some blue so I can take it off later in case I have to. Alright, guys. We got some blue thread lock. Yeah, shortly, stubby, just in case. But should be able to just put a lot less than that. Got too big of a hole on it, huh? Some thread locker on this. So we'll go ahead and get thread locker on all these, get them on, and then put the other ones. This is removable thread locker. It's blue, not red, so that way no one's yelling at me. I see thread locker on the old ones, so Carli's nice enough to supply one extra bolt, so that means that I only gotta take one of these off. And put thread lock on it, the other one's extra. Alright, let's get a little bit on there. Alright guys, so we're gonna hand tighten them and torque them to 25 foot-pounds. Hand tight. Alright, there we go. Let's get this thing open. There's 20 and 5. Alright, so I don't know if you can see that. 25 foot-pounds. Hopefully you can. Hopefully I don't gotta go get an extension. That's pretty snug. Try to get them all as snug as I can first. That's pretty snug. Oops, that's clicked already. This way. That's it. Check them all. That one's clicked. Click. 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 Click, and the last one again. Perfect, guys. All right, that's it. Let's take you in a little closer. There you go, guys. That's what she's looking like. So let me get up Hit you in a second. Alright guys, so tell me what you thought. That was a quick, easy video. Got the instructions right here in case you guys want to look at them. There you go. As you can see, real simple, 3 steps. Doesn't take very long. I'll put this video together. Hopefully if you guys looking into this in the future, you reach out to Carli. Again, CJC Off-Road, they're pretty awesome. I happen to get mine from a different place just because I found it 20 bucks cheaper, but most of my parts come from CJC. Not sponsored by them. I just think they're a cool small business. I'll link both of the locations below. At the end of the day, protect that diff. You won't regret it. I'll catch you in the next one. And before I leave, do me a favor. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe down below, comment down below if you want to see some other stuff coming up in the near future. Tell me what you want to see. All right, catch you soon.